Hey, welcome to NappingWhileCamping. It's been a minute. I've had 3 trips or things to make videos about, and I have not been able to make my videos because I've had some health problems. Oh, I'm going to tell you about that in a minute, but first, do you see where I'm at? You see some of this, sumac? Is that sumac growing right there? Make tea out of that, I think. I'm up here at an overlook near me. It's called Buzzard's Rock. And it's a lookout, and it's a little overgrown, and it's a big old stone wall here. Let me grab my cane and we'll go for a little walk. Not walking so great. Let me tell you, I had doctor's appointments, and I went, and I'm covering the camera. Hold on. Here we go. I went to the doctors, and they all said, "You are a mess." Beep. So, on top of having to get back surgery, which is a go because I finally lost all the weight I needed to, I found out that I have RA, and that's why I have so much pain in my body. It's terrible lately. I'm walking with this cane all the time, and the other day I actually had to use my old crutches from my knee injury, and it was no fun. No fun. So RA, that's fun, and now I'm on a new medication twice a day to help keep that in check. My knee is bone on bone. My left hip is bone on bone. My top of my spine is starting to be jacked up. My lower spine has no cushion in between any of the vertebrae, so they're going to put screws in my back and hold my spine open. Yeah, that's going to restrict me a little bit, I'm sure, and I think the healing might be not as easy as my last time that I had surgery, like 25 years ago. So, let's walk around over here. Amy's back there climbing the rocks. She went up the little trail to see what's up there. Someday maybe I will, but we can walk over here. Alright, anyway, new medicine, back, knees. I'm falling apart. I don't know what I'm going to be able to do for camping. My hands hurt so bad sometimes that I can't sit at my computer. I can't use the mouse for long. So editing is being very tedious to me, and I'm not having the greatest time doing it because it's just painful. I do my best. Eventually I'm going to have some videos out for you guys. My first trip of the year, my birthday camping trip, and camping with my sister and brother-in-law at Gifford Pinchot, and the Love Fest in Lock Haven, PA. So look forward to all that coming up. Until then, you just get to look at this beautiful view from Buzzard's Rock near Shippensburg and Newville, PA. Yeah, it's pretty. They need to cut down a few of these trees down here so we could see the view better. Alright, well, I'm gonna try to head back up this little rocky path. Good thing I have a cane with me. Alright. And back there is a trail that you could go up even higher, I think, and it goes above the trees, or there's another overlook on the other side. I don't know because I haven't been up there. So anyway, let me Thanks for joining me. I'm T, the Napping Camper, here at NappingWhileCamping. And I'm glad to have you with me. I just wanted to give you an update how I'm doing, let you know I'm still out here. I'm still trying to have fun and live my life. It's hard sometimes, but I'm here. Send me some messages, wish me well, and keep your eyes open for my camping video from an amazing camping spot. All right, thanks for being here. See you next time.